How will he perform on his debut?
Look, you got the pink concrete ball and the pink ball.
Stay tuned, it's live.
Head in the game.
Well, just the sort of weather the fans were hoping for this evening. It's absolutely ideal. I'm Derek Ray, and sharing commentary duties with me is Sue Smith. And it's all about action from the Premier League in this case. How do you see it panning out?
Well, I'm sure both managers will have given them their final instructions. Go out and give it their all. Hopefully, that'll be enough for a positive result. I'm looking forward to this one.
Oh, chance! And a little too close to the keeper in the end. Well, here is the lineup for the hosts today.
Yeah, I think it's going to be a 5-4-1 out of possession, but when they do have the ball, maybe it changes to a 3-5-2. Both wing-backs will push forward, and the midfielder as well to go and support the striker.
Nice-looking pass. Getting in there to intercept.
Yes, so alert, read it well.
He's in behind. And a goal! That is a very bright start. Perfect way to open.
Well, we can see it again now, and they're so dangerous in these transitions. The speed of the counter-attack is really impressive. And as soon as he's through 1v1 with the keeper, he just smashes it. Such power in the strike, it's brilliant.
So the action continues and work to do for Wolves. Let's see if that goal has shaken them up. Bradley. It's a good Wolves move in the making. Untidy in possession. Will he play it in? Effective challenge. Oh, tremendous vision. Can he find the net? Well, possession keeps on changing hands. That's problematic.
Yeah, it's just scrappy, isn't it? They're just not on the same wavelength, are they?
Counter-attacking chance. Miles from goal. And couldn't quite hit the target.
They moved the ball with pace to get them up the pitch so quickly. Just couldn't quite put the ball in the back of the net.
Good-looking move. That's a good pass. Oh, difficult save to make. And a yellow card to add to his woes.
Yeah, you can't argue with that, can you?
Trying to pick out a teammate. Nakamura. Marshall Munetsi. And news of a goal at Stamford Bridge. Alex Scott has all the information for us.
It's a goal for Chelsea. The goalkeeper will be looking at himself on that one. He was totally out of position, and it was an easy finish. They've scored the opener here with 28 minutes played.
Alex, thank you very much. Good-looking move. And a textbook interception. Marshall Munetsi. Jürgen Strand Larsen. Oh, nicely played. The save was a good one. Decent pass. Oh, disappointing end to that.
That was top draw, wasn't it?
And strong play here. Marshall Munetsi. So, getting close to the half-time interval, and it's going with home advantage, albeit not by a lot. What have you made of what you've seen so far?
Yeah, it's a close one, a difficult one to call. I think they'll be the happier of the two sides, though, going in front, but it's marginal. They'll need a little bit more in the second half.
Well, sitting deep here, almost inviting the pressure. Long-range effort. Decent effort there.
Well, he surprised everyone, including me. It's a decent effort, you've got to say.
Loves to attack from the wide areas. Could play it in. Oh, it comes to nothing in the end. Really should have made more of that.
Well, that looked good for a goal, didn't it? Surprised that that didn't amount to anything.
Munetsi. Jürgen Strand Larsen. So 2 minutes of stoppage time to be added on. Oh, that's a really good pass. And the shot. Opportunity here. And so it is, the first half story has been written. And the second half is underway with Wolves behind. Can they turn this match around? Doyle. Sommer with it. On to Edozie. And a fine tackle. Doyle. Munetsi. Well, there's been so much talk about a potential transfer, but it's potential no more. It's fact.
Yeah, and I think it's a good transfer. He'll certainly add a lot of quality to the team, and I'm sure the club are delighted to have him on board. I'm really looking forward to seeing his debut.
Takes aim, and a fine stop to turn the ball away. Well, they've been getting the substitute ready, and now they will make the personnel change. Thoughtful play. Sommer with it. Takes the shot. And rattling the post. Well, a time for calm on the ball.
Well, that wasn't far away, and a 2-goal lead would have certainly changed the game and the approach. But as it is, though, it could still go either way.
Yes, so near indeed. But now they've got to concentrate on keeping their defensive shape. Well, this is the home of live football, EA TV. Delighted that you're with us, and hope very much you'll join us for this match coming up.
Yeah, the fixtures coming thick and fast, eh? Should be a good game, that, though.
Well, no luck keeping possession. Good-looking pass. Might finish. And a goal! They're going to take some stopping now. 2 in front here.
finish.
So the ball rolling again. 2-0 the score. Who wants to make a challenge? Doyle. Well, don't forget, action from the fourth round of the FA Cup is coming your way on EA TV. It's Wolves facing Brentford.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Both teams are going to be looking to progress, that's for sure. Hopefully it's going to be a competitive match.
Decent position. Is it going to be? In it goes! A 3-goal cushion. This is astonishing stuff.
Well, look how he gets round his marker with a lovely bit of skill. And it's a brilliant finish. He strikes through the ball. The keeper has no chance. It's a superb finish.
Is this going to be a thrashing? 3-0 now. And take it away. Well, the keeper ultimately resolved the situation. Oh, moving it nicely. Takes it on. Arias. Possibilities for them to counter. Well, that is asking for a yellow card. Well, deemed to have been a cautionable offence.
Well, he's going to have to be careful now. Can't make any rash challenges or he'll be off.
It's a fierce effort. And the free kick caught cleanly by the keeper. Here's Kar'єra. He fancies it. Oh, good technique in terms of how he struck it. Well, they have elected to go to the bench at this stage of the game. And snuffing out the danger. Jürgen Strand Larsen, and possession lost there. Oh, this looks useful. Takes it on. Oh, a really confident stop in a challenging situation. They will now make use of their substitutes bench. Let's see about the delivery. Textbook goalkeeping following the corner. Havertz. Textbook example of how to cut it out. Wonderfully weighted pass. And the keeper really reacted brilliantly.
Well, I thought that had to be a goal, but the keeper pulls off a tremendous save. It's cat-like reflexes.
Who can he pick out? And a struggle to get it away properly. Well, it comes to nothing in the end. Jürgen Strand Larsen. And there it is, the final whistle, and the fans will be leaving the stadium with smiles on their faces.
Well, it was a very assured performance, wasn't it? Particularly impressed with their play going forward. They were really lively and almost cutting through at will at times. The result never in much doubt.